Perfin App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. Most people get financial wellness apps wrong by assuming they're all the same. Perfin in 2025 offers a unique approach, but is it worth using? Perfin is a financial wellness platform designed to help users save, track spending, and build healthier money habits. The surprising truth is its gamified features. You won't believe what happens next when small saving challenges and streaks turn everyday budgeting into an engaging experience. Another advantage is personalized insights. Most people get this wrong by thinking apps only categorize transactions. Perfin analyzes spending patterns and suggests actionable tips to optimize your budget, helping users make smarter decisions effortlessly. However, there are downsides. The app's free version has limited features, and some advanced insights require a subscription. Notifications can also feel overwhelming for users not used to frequent alerts. In conclusion, Perfin is ideal for individuals who want motivation, guidance, and a structured way to improve their financial habits. If you actively use the app and engage with its tools, it can be a game changer in 2025. Casual users may still benefit, but the full potential comes with consistent interaction.